What's up guys? So, we have talked about the upcoming Huawei's P50 series, and now, we got some more information about the handset. Anyway, if you want to get video like this, sub to this channel will be amazing. Now, let's get start the video. So first up, here is the screen protector of the Huawei P50 Pro. If we look at it, it appears that the smartphone will have a curved edges on the left and the right sides. But the curves on the top and the bottom part is less compared to the side edges. And this time around, the P50 Pro will have a centered punch hole camera rather than deal hole, which the Huawei P40 Pro had. And honestly speaking, it looks more beautiful than that. Anyway, in the last few months, there have been numbers of rumors and reports regarding the upcoming Huawei P50 series of smartphone. We have seen a lot of concepts videos, as well as windows of the phone, even some fake images. But, I would say through these trends we understood one thing, that the camera will have new layout, and it's finally getting confirmed. So, yesterday, we got an official renders of the upcoming Huawei P50 series, courtesy of Rodent, who is a well-known Huawei leakster. Anyway, these are the images. They reveal the rear panel of the device, and the most striking aspect is the unique camera module on the back, that have two large rings. These dual rings contains a total of 4 cameras, which includes one large one and sensor, that is likely the primary lens of the handset. Also, the other one have 3 cameras, which somehow indicates that these are the windows of the Huawei P50 Pro. Furthermore, the tipster claims that these images are not mock-ups, but the official windows from the Chinese tech giant. Anyway, the exact specifications of the cameras are unknown, but Rodent said that the smartphone is having a variable periscope camera, so we can say the zooming lens is still there, and that is pretty much all we get from these images. By the way, according to a report, Huawei might be launching the Huawei MatePad 2 series and the Watch 3 lineup on June 2nd. So, considering the previous leaks, the company's next tablet lineup is rumored to include 2 tablets, the Huawei MatePad 2 and the MatePad 2 Pro 5G. The MatePad 2 is believed to be codenamed as Marks 2, while the MatePad 2 Pro 5G his code name is Wagner. As far as the information about the Watch 3 series goes, the Chinese smartphone maker might unveil the Watch 3 and the Watch 3 Pro at the Huawei MatePad 2 event on June 2nd. Also, if Vivo leakster is claiming that Xiaomi, Vivo and Meizu are also approaching Huawei in order to use Harmony operating system in their smartphones. Also, a lot of you guys were asking me that, can Harmony operating system will be used on smartphones other than Huawei? Well, I guess now I have a solid answer, and the answer is yes. Because we got a video which shows a Xiaomi device running Harmony operating system, which is like really surprising to me. Although he did not shows the operation of the operating system, it's just limited to demonstrating the moment of launching the smartphone. So keep in mind that this video could be fake, but it's clear that Harmony operating system is an open source operating system, like it's free to install on any device, at your own risk. So indeed it is now possible to install Harmony operating system on any Android smartphone. Anyway, what do you guys think about it? Let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below. And if you somehow like this video, sub to the channel will be make my day. And my name is Arjun, this is Digital Outside, so as always I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Gotta let you say, 'cause I fuck it up.